What if it all happened again, but in a complete opposite way?
What the hell am I talking about? Well, space isn't empty. It's made of quantum fields, and the way those fields are configured determines the laws of physics in our universe. We don't actually know what these fields look like because they're invisible, so here you go, that's my imagination. Now, in physics, energy and stability are connected. To explain that, imagine a ball on a landscape of hills and valleys. A ball on top of a hill has high energy and is unstable. A tiny push and it rolls away, unstable. A ball in a shallow valley is more stable, but not completely, metastable. And a ball in the deep valley is the most stable, it just sits there, stable. In everyday life, ball moves only if something is pushing it. Barriers are absolute. But in quantum physics, things behave differently. A system doesn't need a push, it can transition to a lower energy state simply because it's allowed. This is called quantum tunneling. By the way, it doesn't mean that our space has literal hills and valleys. It's just an illustration to understand the topic better. So if our universe is already in the lowest possible state, then we're safe. The problem is, we don't know. If we're not, then our universe could be in what's called a false vacuum, a stable state that isn't the lowest one. In that case, a crucial field, like the Higgs field, could in principle transition to a low-energy configuration through quantum tunneling. The Higgs field determines particles' masses, and without those, atoms and matter couldn't exist. So this wouldn't be an explosion or a collapse. It would be a change of physics rules that are not compatible with our universe. Suddenly, all matter can't exist. And because such a change would spread at nearly the speed of light, there would be no warning. I assure you that the universe wouldn't end dramatically. Everything would just stop existing in a blink of an eye. It's important to say that it's a theory. Physics allows its possibility, but it doesn't mean that it will happen. If it's all possible at all, then timescales would probably be unimaginable. And it's all based on our current understanding of quantum physics. However, that's another blind spot we haven't filled yet.